Well, good afternoon. This is Rich, and the markets had a mixed close here this afternoon. We tried to trade lower this morning, and in fact, corn was 7 to 8 cents lower right out of the gate. Beans close to double digits lower right out of the gate as well. But just the poor numbers, I guess you could say, that keep coming in from the Pro Farmer Crop Tour certainly helps support these markets. The wheat market was supported as well, and in fact was probably the leader in bringing some of these other markets back. We did see Kansas City wheat September close up 12 3/4 cents at 8.47 3/4. Dry weather in the southern plains pushing back ideas about planted acres this fall, certainly a driver there. Minneapolis September up 8 3/4 at 9.34 3/4. Chicago sep wheat up 8 cents at 7.57 1/4. The corn market finished up a half cent at the end of the day at 7.43 1/2 in December corn. March corn up a penny at 7.55. November soybeans down 3/4 cent, 13.92 3/4. January beans down a half at 14.03 1/4. December cotton down 2 cents at 102.99. The outside markets were mixed in their trade today. Gold, in fact, saw some big selling once again early in the day, but managed to come back, trade up $15 an ounce at the close at $17.70 an ounce. Silver up almost $2 an ounce in a big trade today. The dollar was a couple of tenths firmer. Crude oil down 19 cents a barrel, and the stock market closed down 137 points on the Dow at 11,131. The weekly export sales numbers this morning not too good for corn and soybeans and wheat, so you would think that on the surface, these higher prices have probably done some work to ration some demand at this point. The question is how much, and how much do they have to ration? Where are corn yields, soybean yields going to come in? Do we need to do more work? And I guess that's why the market adding some premium here on the front end. Hope you have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.